Hello friends, welcome to the first tutorial of English grammar presented by me Shirshendu Mitra, research scholar of Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati. In this particular video, I'll show you some awesome tricks of English grammar. We generally do some mistakes while speaking, while writing, but here I present to you some tricks in order to write or speak properly. So first one is many a times we say anyways. What do we say? We say anyways. But the thing is, anyways is a wrong usage of English because anyway is a because anyway is an adjective and plural form of adjective is not possible, so anyways is a wrong English. So what we should use anyway instead of anyways. But anyways are being used by a group of people, but in English it is considered as a colloquial or slang, so please stop using anyways and start using anyway. Okay. The next one, sometimes we say, the second one, what do we say? It is the most unique thing. But this is a wrong usage of English, so this one is incorrect. Why? Because whenever you are saying unique, you need not mention most before that. Unique itself means some degree. Okay, so the correct one is, correct usage of English is, it is a unique, it is a unique thing. Okay, so the next one, we sometimes say he is, suppose a sentence I am writing, he is wiser than brave. मतलब वो लोग ज़्यादा, मतलब ये आदमी ज़्यादा ज्ञानी है, ब्रेवरी उसमें थोड़ा कम है, यही बोलना चाहते हैं हम लोग. बट द थिंग इज, वेन एवर यू आर कंपेयरिंग टू थिंग्स फॉर अ सिंगल पर्सन, then you should use more. Instead of wiser, you should use more. So the correct one would be, he is more wise than brave. You should not use wiser. So that is a rule. Okay, then we go for the next one. The next one is, sometimes we say, suppose I am taking one example, his failure is too much painful for me. Now here you need to understand a simple thing, and that is, here painful is not a noun. Here painful is an unpleasant adjective. Okay, you follow me? This painful is not a noun, painful is an unpleasant adjective, and the rule is you always use much to followed by or plus unpleasant adjective. Okay, so much to will be followed by that unpleasant adjective, here painful. So the correct one would be, correct one is his failure is much too painful for me. So that one is the correct one, but in general we use like this incorrect sentence like his failure is too much painful for me. But now onward, after viewing this video, you should use this as his failure is much too painful for me. But when this comes to noun, what does it mean? Instead of this painful or instead of this adjective, if there is any noun, then too much is the correct one. So the rule is too much followed by noun. I will take another example. Suppose I am taking one example. His wife's apostrophe s wife rude behavior gives him much to pain. Now look at this particular position. What I wrote? That would be double O. Yeah, much to pain. But here this one is incorrect because here pain is a noun. It is not an adjective. So instead of, so this one is incorrect. Again and again I am saying this one is incorrect. So what would be the correct one? I just copy it because I am lazy. Control C, Control V. So the correct one is, instead of much to, you should write too much. So this one is the correct one. Okay, so we learned something. So the next one, suppose sometimes we say we compare a thing between two objects. Okay, like what we say, which is the best book of the two. So we say which is the best book of these two. But the thing is, when you are comparing between two things, that should not be a superlative degree, that should be a comparative degree. So the correct one would be, which is the better book of the two. So that one is the, I am writing, this one is the correct one, this one is the incorrect one. So you should remember correct and incorrect. Okay, so coming to the next one, suppose sometimes we say, have you bought some mangoes? Have you bought some mangoes? That is an incorrect one. So I am writing it as incorrect. The correct one would be, have you bought or brought, whatever, some, not some. Correct one is any mangoes. So this one is the correct. Now just think what is the wrong with this sum and why any mangoes is the correct one. So the thing is to express quantity or degree, some is used in affirmative sentences, any in negative or interrogative sentences. So I repeat here, to express quantity, here we are expressing quantity, the quantity of mango. So to express quantity or degree, some is used in affirmative sentences. Here this one is not an affirmative sentence, this one is an interrogative sentence, that is a question. So we should use any instead of some. So that is the rule you should remember. Okay. So I write here correct and I go to the next one. So I write correct. First one is the wrong one, second one is the correct one. So next I will take another good example. Suppose sometimes we say to compare things, we say the population of Bombay, a city of India, is greater than Delhi. So this one is an incorrect usage of English. The proper English should be the population of Bombay is greater than that of Delhi. So the thing is, you should use or you should compare the same things between, I mean to say you should compare the same thing. So what we are dealing with here, we are dealing with or we are comparing the population of two cities, those are Bombay and Delhi. So this that of means the population of Delhi, and population of Bombay we are just clearly saying there. So we are just comparing population of both the cities. But in the first one, this one is incorrect, because here the first thing is population of Bombay, but second thing we are just telling Delhi. Delhi means the overall city. Delhi does not represent the population of Delhi. That is why it cannot be said or cannot be written like this way. The proper usage is the population of Bombay is greater than that of Delhi. So I write this one is the correct one. So I am going to another awesome example. Suppose sometimes we say nothing more can be done presently. Nothing more can be done presently. Okay. So that one is this is a sentence. So this sentence is again incorrect. Why is it incorrect? Because you should understand one thing, what we mean to say by this sentence, nothing more can be done presently. इसका मतलब है अभी हम लोग और कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. But in English, presently basically represents shortly. Presently means shortly. So what we wanted to convey, we did not convey, we conveyed something else. So the proper English which we wanted to convey is at present. So we should write nothing more can be done at present. Okay, so that one is the correct one, and this one is the incorrect one. Incorrect, RRECT. Yeah. So Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos on English like this that will be beneficial to you. Thank you very much.